Hello my dear friends. Today again your friend Harish with you. Friends, as you know, I'm nature lover and wildlife photographer too. So in this episode, I'm going to share my one more experience which I have spent my very fabulous time in a bird festival in Kotdwar, which is in southern western part of northern state Uttarakhand. And this beautiful bird festival was organized by Lansdowne Forest Division. And friends, yes, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do it today and press this bell icon and like it. So friends, let's start video for Lansdowne Forest Division. Friends, I have started my journey from Tamil Nadu and I reached Delhi. From Delhi, I have started my journey by road with my friend Rajkumar Sagar, and it took almost 5 to 6 hours due to a lot of fog was there, but had a great time to reach Kotdwar. ये अपने मित्र राजकुमार सागर अच्छी गाड़ी चला लेते हैं, सीख रहे हैं अभी सीख रहे हैं, अच्छी चला लेते हैं गाड़ी। Friends, I got an invitation to attend this bird festival from Mr. Rajiv Beast. He is one of the best professional birder in this Kotdwar area. Rather, I would say he is not only birder, he is giving his 100% to conserve nature, and he is doing a lot of activities to awareness about wildlife, nature conservation to the schools, colleges and the people who is visiting the Lansdowne Forest Division and Kotdwar area. Friends, the day we reached there in the morning, the bird festival, the opening was there, and they have celebrated this bird festival as other festivals. They have local dance, folk musics, which has participated by several schools and colleges. It was very fantabulous. Next day, early morning by 5 o'clock, we all got up and start our journey. This forest division people took us in a lot of gypsies. So in each gypsy, for the security reason, they have sent one gunman to all the vehicles. So it was very good initiative taken by this Lansdowne Forest Division people. And this area was the untouched area. We were lucky to be there. Friends, this Lansdowne Forest Division makes it the catalyst. And Lansdowne is the third forest area in the world after Chitwan National Park in Nepal. And the forest area of Russia also included in this list. And friends, it is located in between the two protected area, which is Corbett Tiger Reserve and Rajaji National Park Tiger Reserve, and this area provides both the area ecological connectivity. In entire Uttarakhand, more than 710 bird species has been recorded. But the best part, more than 350 bird species only in Lansdowne Forest Division. And most of the national park or sanctuaries, they have a season, birding seasons. But in this Kordwar area, you can see bird entire year, all 12 months. So there is no season. Anytime you will go, you will get several birds.
उसका कैसे सर?
last night of this bird festival, we all gathered together and had great time to talk to each other and share our experiences. And I was lucky too. I got a chance. They asked me to share my experience and I shared my experience. It had a great time. Friends, as you know, I'm nature lover. In my all the episodes, I'm requesting to everyone, every individual, do not waste unnecessary water, don't use plastics, and friends, if possible in your lifetime, please plant one tree. It will help to make our universe green, and it will be good for generations. We'll get a good air, we'll get a good water, we'll get a good environment. So my dear friends, please love nature, enjoy nature and conserve nature. So my dear friends, I hope you like this video. And friends, in my upcoming videos, I'll bring some more informations about national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, nature conservations. So friends, till then, keep yourself healthy, stay at home and take care of your surroundings. Till then, take care. See ya.